We got the 308 up on the lift now. I'll go ahead and go over engine here. Everything's nice and dry. There's no oil. Here's some of the suspension components. Everything nice and tidy. Let's go ahead and go up to the front here. And this is after we got it up to operating or optimal operating temperature.